Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Welcome to today's MEE. Right? Yes, if you can hear me, I HL Ashwin, Wayne, Javier, Belinda, Athena, Chris, Grace, Zhi Wong, KT, Pat Wong, Eddie, Annie, Xin Yu. Okay, good to see everyone here. Welcome to today's MEE class. Okay, we're waiting for the rest to join us in a short while. Okay, let me just check. Okay, let's get started. Okay, today event is open to the public also. I just want to make sure everything is okay. So let's get started. Okay, so let's set the context first. Very important disclaimer. Okay, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose. These are not buying and selling advice. Type yes if you understand. Okay, next, thank you. Next thing what I want to do is, as usual, we want to go through the markets. Markets is a bit volatile, okay, but we want to go through how's the market doing, and then from there today we have a new batch of student, batch 171 here. Anyone from batch 171? Type 171 if you're from batch 171. We have some new batch of students here. Okay, but the rest are not new students. Okay, so we want to go through a little bit about the markets again, go through the scans. Hopefully, if you have any question, you can also feel free to ask any question at any point of time. Okay, so let's go through the markets first. Okay, let's take a step backwards. Why do we go through the markets every time? Okay, for those that are many years in this MEE already, right? You all know why we go through the market, okay? But for those that are new, why do we want to go through the market first? Okay, the reason why I go through the market is we want to know, okay, how is the market doing? Where is the market going, up or down, for the long term, for the short term, so that we can position ourselves in terms of our risk. Okay, example, if the market is very more volatile right now, maybe on the lower your risk. If the market is trending up strongly, then you want to increase your risk. If the market is coming down, maybe you look at for trades that are downtrend. Okay, stocks that are downtrend. So that's the reason why we want to go through the market first. Okay, whether it's US market, Hong Kong market, or whatever, we want to go through the market first to have an understanding last week what happened, and then next week what may happen, and even next month or next 3 months, next 6 months, 1 year, what will be the outlook for those time frame. Okay, so that's the reason why we go through the market. Okay, so let's look through the S&P 500 first. Okay, S&P 500. S&P 500 is the US biggest stocks. Okay, US biggest stocks. So from here we can see what is the trend for the whole US market now, whether it's up, down, or sideways. In general, the long-term chart, we do not always go in and out. Okay, that means on a time frame of about 1 year or more. Okay, so once we enter, we expect to go in, we expect to hold a position 1 year or more, and we do not want to trade in and out so much. But if there's a sell signal, that means to say that within the next year, from the time we sell, we expect the price to go lower. It may go lower or not, but at least we take profit first. Okay, so for the long-term horizon, what is the trend right now? What is the trend right now for the long-term horizon? Anybody want to guess? What is the trend right now for long-term? Long-term is still uptrend, yes or no? Okay, long-term is still uptrend. So no change in the trend. Okay, trend is still up. We follow the uptrend. Okay, so don't need to do anything. Okay, we go into the 2MA. The 2MA are far apart, and then price is heading higher. Don't need to do anything. Okay, no need to anticipate also. No need to anticipate whether it's divergence or things like that. Just follow the trend. Okay, type yes if you all know this before this week. Before this week, you all know already. That means maybe last year or you all know already. Yes or no? Okay. Whereas when the candlestick turn color, that is when you start to go bullish, and then you have been bullish since this part about 16% right now. Okay. So right now still going up. Long term, no need to do anything. However, if we look at the Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq as we covered, I think last week or the week before, we realized that Nasdaq is weaker. Yes or no? That yes, if you know this. Okay, the Nasdaq is weaker compared to the S&P 500. Why? Because it dropped more. Okay, relative strength, it dropped more. And second thing is also we also had a suggestion. Okay, what was the suggestion when we realized that the Nasdaq is weaker than the S&P 500? Okay, our suggestion was to what? Was to go beyond the tech stocks. Yes or no? Go beyond the 7 biggest tech stocks. Okay, so that was the suggestion. Look beyond. Have you all done that? Have you all looked beyond the other sectors, other kind of stocks? Type yes if you have done that. Okay, right now we have like 200 and financial, yes, 200 and 300 people right now already. Okay, today event is open to public, so maybe I just switch on, just take a look at the public trend. Okay. Okay, let me just share this. Give me a second. I will share the whole screen. Okay. So at least y'all can see the chat also. Oh, the chat is over here. So that at least the public can see the chat also. Okay. So let's say not familiar with the industry, less confident. Yes. Energy, financial, commodities. Yes or no? Question. If you all done your scan, did you all notice that there are other sectors coming up as my strong stocks? How many have seen that? Like energy, like financial, coming up as compared to the monthly performance, they are relatively stronger than just the tech stock. Yes, okay, so you have seen that relative strength. Okay, so question, how to see? Okay, how to see if you are not familiar with is you go to here. Okay, you go under sectors. If you have sectors, okay, you all should have sectors, and then go to last trading days, rank on a month. You should be able to see the sector. So what is the leading sector right now? Leading sector right now is energy. Yes or no? I already shared about energy before. Yes or no? Industrial, consumer staples. All these are stronger. Technology. Can you all see technology is now weak? Yes or no? Okay, so if you're all stocks, all tech stock, maybe time to switch. Okay? All clear? Type yes if you are clear. Okay, so what tech stocks? Okay, later we can go into those what tech stocks to look at. Okay, so let's go back to the index. Okay, this is Nasdaq right now, and how do we know if the rotation to some sector is too late to enter? You don't need to anticipate whether it's too late or not. Okay, so all trading, right, is reactive. Yes or no? All trading is reactive. All trading is not predictive. Okay, not predictive. That means when you see already, then you take action. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, when you see the sector is strong already, then you take action. You don't anticipate that the sector is weak, it's going to be strong in the future. Do you understand what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand what I'm saying. Let's say the market is up already. You don't think that the market is too high. Okay, when it's up already, let's say example is here. It may have went up a bit already. You don't anticipate it's too high. You just take the action. Oh, so like here can be too high, here can be too high, here can be too high. We don't know where's the top. Even now, we won't know that this is the top or not. But it's reactive. That means when the thing tell you the sell signal come out, then you sell. Okay, that yes, if you understand. So we trade what we see. We don't trade what we anticipate. Got it? Or don't do that. Okay? Don't do that. Okay? This weekly chart is too far already. Okay, you want to look for other trades. Okay, so look for other trades. This one is a bit too long already. Okay, this one since when? This one since where was the time frame? The time frame since May last year. Oh, already too far already. Got it? Okay, so now we go to Hang Seng market. Hang Seng market. So for Hang Seng and for the rest of the Singapore market, we don't trade so much. Okay, for Singapore market, for Hong Kong market, for China market, we do more long-term investing. We buy when it is cheaper, sell when it's higher. Okay, by now, most of the SMT graduates should already know already. Okay, type 1 if you already know for SMP5 for Hong Kong market or for Singapore market, we don't use position daily or we don't use swing to trade. Okay, we just buy when it's cheap. Okay, easier. For US market, there is the trend can be very clear. So that's why we use a system to trade. Use position daily or position weekly to trade. But for Hong Kong market, all this don't. Okay. So before I go into the Hang Seng Index, let's go to STI first. Okay. Let's go to STI first. Okay. Okay. So STI we mentioned this last week also. So if I were to do the long-term trend, this is the long-term trend. The weekly monthly. This is the long-term trend. Type yes if you can see these bands. Okay, let's give you some context of these bands. This context of the band is like very long-term. It is not short-term. Okay, so the condition for these bands are like since 1919 or 1919. How many years? 1919 until now, 26 years already. Okay, type yes if you understand that context of this band. It's a 26 years high and low band. Got it? Type yes if you understand. So it's a very 1999. Okay, 1999 until now, 26 years already. Okay, so this band is already established. So the idea for long-term trading is like this. You buy when you're at the lower part of this band. Type yes if SMT graduate, you all know. This is July 2020. A lot of you all know already, right? As you get into the middle, as you get to the higher part of the band, this is your what? This is your what? Your take profit or rotate. You rotate up into other things. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, you rotate up into other things. This is not indicator. This I draw manually one. Oh, okay. So STI right now, you rotate up to other things. Okay, what are the other things? Later we can take a look. Okay, so any question on STI right now? So question, if you're long-term Singapore stocks, do you think it's a good idea to buy right now? No, okay. But is every stock like this? No lah. Yes or no? Okay, not a lot of stock are all-time high. Yes or no? There are a lot of stocks to buy. Okay, no money to buy, but there are a lot of stocks that are not like this. Okay, later we can go through that. Okay, Singapore market STI. Okay, that good if you understand. Saying that, what is the trend for STI? Uptrend, yes or no? Uptrend. The context is if I'm long term, if I've been buying few years ago, now that's a good time to exit, rotate into other things. It may still go higher. Okay, it may still go higher, but I'd rather not take that last 10% and rotate into something else. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So that's the context. So that if they go another 10% higher or 5%, don't make noise, find other things. Okay. So how about Hang Seng right now? So with that context of that, how do we look at Hang Seng right now? So Hang Seng is not the same as Singapore market. Can you all see that? Type yes if you can see that. So it's not the same. Okay, so we are like the middle of the band. Okay, not at the higher end of the band, we are at the middle part of the band. Got it? Okay. So does this have some context right now? Type yes if you have some context. Singapore versus Hong Kong, you have some in context right now. Okay. So that is the context. Okay. Can you rotate? Okay. So usually for all this longer term investment, you will want the time frame are very long. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, your time frame is very long. That means the time to buy, not the time to the time to buy is dollar cost averaging, and this dollar cost averaging can last from 6 months to a year. Just buying alone. Do you follow what I'm saying? Not selling, just buying alone. Okay. When did we talk about buying Hang Seng? The old student, when did we start talking about buying Hang Seng? When was around what time? If you all remember. September, October 2024. Okay, so it's around this period, yes or no? It's around this period over here. 2022, 2024. Okay, 2026, 2024 will be in between this two period. Type yes if you understand. So this is 2022, this is 2026. So 2022, 2026 in between this period. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So if you buy at 2024, you still got about 1 year plus to slowly accumulate. Yes or no? So it's not that 2024, you still got 1 year plus to accumulate. Yes or no? Got it? So it is not something that is very from here, right? 2024 is not very fast. Got it? Type yes if you understand the context. So from 2024 onwards, you can buy now 2 here. Okay, enough, yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, then you can just chill. Okay. For STI, if you go back to COVID time, somewhere in July 2020, we were recorded down in the weekly webinar like this. Then for a few months, we asked to buy. Silver also same, yes or no? Silver, we bought around 2021 or 22. Yes or no? These are all long-term investing. Okay, type silver if you all remember that. We talk about silver, right? Okay, so that was the time 202. I think it's 2022. Talk about buying silver. Okay, so now let's go into the individual stocks. Okay, let's go to individual stocks right now. Okay, individual stocks, let's give some context, especially for those people who are new or those people who are in the public group, is we split into different time frame. Long term is 1 year or 2 years. Medium term is about 3 to 9 months, called position daily. Then shorter term will be like swing weekly or swing daily. Okay, swing weekly is about 1 month, swing daily is about few days. Okay, since today got quite a lot of new graduates, we will go into the different time frame. Okay, so now position weekly first. Okay, position weekly. Let's look at the S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500. Basically, S&P 500, it ranked by market cap, nothing much to buy lah. Okay, we want Berkshire over here last week. Okay, sell signal, and then buy signal again. Okay, I think Berkshire, what do you all think? Not bad, yes or no? Okay, long term, I think is still a buy. Okay, type BRK if you understand. So Berkshire is a long-term play. Okay, but the rest, let's say example, the rest of the stocks, let's say Nvidia, all these they have run already. Yes or no? From 2026, 2025, run 43%. Google, Apple, all this has already run already. Yes or no? It's already moved up already from the signals. Okay, so 20%. Google, all this has run already. Okay, so Berkshire also means what? Berkshire also means what? Also not so tech. Do you follow? So even though you got Apple, but it's still a mix of other stocks also. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. In fact, Apple we trimming down already, right? So you got a mix of other stocks also. Okay, so that is something they look at for long term. Okay. Okay, so do go and take a look at the rest of the stocks. Actually, no other signals. Okay, there's one P&G. P&G is what sector? Consumer staple, right? Okay, so these are all things that you can take a look. Okay, so P&G is not bad. Okay, can you all see that rotation out of tech? Okay, P&G is the not tech one. Yes or no? Okay, so there's other things outside of tech already. You want to take a look. Okay. Any question? Type good if you understand. Okay. Question, Collin. P&G signal buy already. What other ways I can get in? Can I go into position daily? Yes. Can I go into 6-month high? Yes. Type yes if you understand. So PNG not only has buy signal, it has broken out 6-month high. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Or so if I were to do technical analysis, which we don't need to do, we don't need to do technical analysis, right? Is we have more or less broken out of this downtrend already. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Oh, we have broken out this downtrend already. Oh. So good or no good? Oh, this downtrend is since when? This downtrend started since 2025 March until right now. So question, is it too late? No lah, it's not too late lah. Yes or no? Oh, so don't think, oh, went up too much already. Don't think like that, okay? If not, you will regret, okay? Because that time when it went up like big 6-month high here, okay, then you break 6-month high, right? Oh, is it too late? Because why? It went up, let's say from here to here went up 18%, or from here to here went up 32%. Is it too late? No lah, because after that you still can run. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, so same thing like when you're here, then you run up already. Say, hey, is it too late? It may still go higher. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So follow the system again. We don't know whether it's too late or not, but the purpose of having a system is to follow the system. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so now position daily also. So if you use position daily, prior weeks don't have 6-month high. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Prior weeks don't have mode bullish. Only this week start, then mode bullish. So all this arrow can enter or not? Cannot. Yes or no? Because your weekly chart is still down. Okay, if you look at the chart, if you are still here, it's still downtrend. Yes or no? So if the next up arrow appear, it is still considered first arrow. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That good if you understand. Oh, so you have broken up downtrend, you have arrow, you now wait for what? Entry lah. Okay? Wait for entry. Got it? So is it too late? You all decide lah. Okay? I say not too late lah. Okay? Okay, so since the event open to public, can you all just do me a favor, type in SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. We very long never do this area. Okay, type in SMT to the public, at least they know what is the SMT program about. For those people in a public group, welcome for joining us. We have this weekly webinar that we do. Those people that attended a course years ago or last week, we invite them for a weekly webinar like this. And during the weekly webinar, we go through the markets, we apply what we learn in class into the real-time market to trade together. Yes or no? Okay. So then that's because I believe that trading at the end of the day is not just theory lah. Yes or no? It must be able to stand the test of time lah. Okay. So and be able to apply this evergreen. Yes or no? It cannot be every. What I don't like is drop. Okay, unless we are talking about those long-term ones, our strategy, position daily, position weekly, swing daily, don't have strategy like buy and then drop, buy some more. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Unless we are talking about DCA. But if we are not talking about DCA, which we don't even teach in class, our strategy are all systematic. That yes, if you understand. Okay, it's all systematic. So if you all want to find out more of how to do systematic trading, you all can come and attend our upcoming webinar. We will talk about more in the upcoming webinar. Okay, just very quick one. Okay, go to here. You can find out how to join us. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB to join us. Okay, I think we have one tomorrow. Okay, so let's go through the other stocks already. We have P&G, we have Berkshire for long term. Okay, now let's go to the middle term. Okay, instead of looking at the Nasdaq, let's look at NYSE. Okay, NYSE. Then we are looking at the last 1 month outperformance. Type yes if you understand. Okay, last 1 month outperformance. So from there, these are right now our 1 month outperformance right now. Got it? Okay, these are 1 month outperformance, and then rank by month, look for the outperformance. We have Collin over here, which is not a tech stock. Okay, this is 10th arrow already. Weekly chart, also bullish already. Yes or no? We bullish for a while lah. Okay, this one still can do position daily or not? Cannot Why? Because so many arrows already. Okay, so many arrows already. Got it? Okay, what we want to look for is first, second, third arrow with teeth. Okay, how about second one? We have GSK. This was after selling. This is first, second arrow with teeth. This one, Johnson Control, first arrow with teeth. Okay, first arrow with teeth. This one a bit. This stock is not bad. Yes or no? Take 6 months uptrend. The only challenge, this stock got gaps, and this stock also got overlapping candles. Like yes, if you all can see that, overlapping candles and have gaps also. Okay, overlapping candles and gaps also. So let's look for something that don't have go have overlapping candles and don't have gaps. Okay, just now you asked me just now that P&G not bad. Okay, P&G not bad. Marathon Petroleum, let's take a look. Okay, this one not bad also. Yes or no? 6 months, break 6 month high. Type yes if you all can see that. PMC. These two arrows cannot buy. Why cannot buy? This one cannot buy because it didn't break 6 months. This one, even though arrow teeth, before this, you will still don't have 6 month high. It was still sideways. Like sideways, if you understand, it was still sideways. You cannot buy. So now break 6 months already, can buy already. Yes or no? Let's look at a longer time horizon. This was a break of 6 month high. Got it? Okay, so this is a good signal. Type PMC if you understand. Okay, give you a good signal. Okay, how to get in? Okay, how to get in? TOP got signal or not? No signal. Treasury got signal? No signal. Look out for signal for PMC. Okay, energy some more. Yes or no? Energy is one of our sector to look at, right? Type yes if you understand. Energy, first waiting for first arrow with teeth. Also, do we still have to work for green arrow? Yes, better lah. Don't need to anticipate. Okay, better work for first arrow with teeth. Okay, then we move down. Some of the stocks must be careful because some of the stocks can have gaps. Can have gaps. So just take note of that. We have gaps. I do 1 or 2 more, then we move on from position daily. Okay, wait for signal PMC. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Wait for arrow. Okay, so let's go down to Canadian Resources, another resource related stock. 6 month high, broke 6 month high already. First arrow of teeth was around here. Now it's second, third arrow with teeth already. Okay, I feel still okay. This is like third arrow with teeth. Type yes if you understand. This is first arrow with teeth, second arrow with teeth, third arrow with teeth. Got it? Prior to this, it was below the 6-month high. This is first arrow, second arrow, third arrow. Third arrow still can go in or not? Third arrow still can go in or not? Yes. Okay, still can go in. I know some of you are thinking, Collin, too much already. Yes or no? How many thinking like that? Okay. It is normal. Okay, it is normal. Okay, because when break 6-month high already, people not comfortable to go in one. Yes or no? Or like from here until here, from here until here, it never breaks 6-month high. Can you all see that? Type yes if you understand. Because every time down, you compare 6 months ago, compare 6 months ago, compare 6 months ago, it never hit 6-month high. Do you understand? That means from here, look back 6 months, it doesn't. Until when? Until recently only, then it broke 6-month high. Got it? This is the rule, yes or no? Okay. But if you look backwards, when was the time this happened? Like this thing, right? This happened since 2004 in April. Okay, 2004 in April. When was it happen? Let's say from here onwards, it broke 6-month high. Then after that, it go higher. Yes or no? From here, it breaks 6-month high, then it go higher. Got it? So right now, this is that opportunity lah. Oh. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So let's say example, we go back in time. All the while, if you look backwards, it doesn't break 6-month high until here. Then when you look backwards, then say, oh, from here, look back 6 months. From here, look back 6 months, then this part is the high. Got it? Then after that, what happened? After that, then the price started to go higher. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so this is reason why need to be 6-month high. Okay. Okay, I will move on to swing already. Okay, found for your two. By the way, this is not the best way to look for position daily. Yes or no? Not the best way. Why? By right, you should do your position daily scan every day. Do you follow what I'm saying? To find the most gem stock. The stock may not happen on Monday. It may happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, any other day. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It may not be today that we have find the best trading stock. Got it? Okay. So, but I'm showing you an example. Let's say example right now, we just finished the class. We don't have any stock and we want to look for a stock. Then this will be a few stock to look at. But there may be other stock that you already bought already that make you, you already filled up all your stocks already. You cannot buy this new stock right now. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so let's take note of that. By right, every day you're supposed to do the scan to find the best stock. Okay, not just do on Monday. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Okay, of doing a scan. Okay, then after that, we go to swing. Okay, we go to swing. Swing is about one month trade. Let's look at Nasdaq 1 month trade. Look at the arrows. Look for strong arrow with teeth. Google. Okay, Google has a swing trade setup for 1 month trading. However, Google not the best signal. Yes or no? Why? Because it broke down and break up. Okay, normally if your stock is strong uptrend, it will not break down like this so fast. So maybe I'll skip this one. Okay. Next one. This one I think I covered in the SMT class. This was a swing setup on the why is it daily? It should not be daily. This will be weekly first. Swing weekly. Arrow, Kairos, defense and security. This is a setup. Type yes if you all can see that. 2040 MA CCI below 100. Okay, get ready to buy. Type yes if you can see that. Okay, mark the high. Trigger to buy. Can see not? Batch 171 or the rest of the student can see that. We have went into the trampoline area, yes or no? Okay, trampoline area. Okay. This one potentially you can do. This one, no. 10 MA. Fox can do, however, this drop a bit fast. Okay, generally you want to look for the drop to be controlled, not drop so fast. So I'll skip this one. Okay, skip Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab also not bad. Yes or no? Price coming down, rebound. Can you all see that? Price coming down again. It may take another 1-2 weeks to settle down before it bounce out again. Price is coming down, mark the high to trigger to buy. Rocket Lab. Okay, put into your watch list for swing trading. Okay, this one cannot. Okay, 5 billion market cap, price coming down like this, cannot. Okay, last one. Also not so good. Okay, price coming down. Generally, what you want to do is you want to see small candle down relative to the previous up candle. Okay, small candle down relative to the previous up candle. Okay, that is what you want to see. This one not good because it didn't make equal high. Yes or not? Because the high here, there's another high there. So generally, what you want to look for is this high should be higher than this high. Got it? Okay. Okay, let's do free for all. I think I don't want to go into swing daily. Swing daily is for people who are, the setup is exactly the same. No change to the setup. You're going to do your scan. Okay. So this is swing weekly, also not bad. Price make recent high. Come up with a trade plan. Okay, what's your trade plan? Trade plan is what? Come to down. I think may not trigger yet. Yes or no? May trigger yet. The trigger will be above the high of this candle. Okay, above the high of this candle. So you mark the high above the high of this candle. Okay, may not trigger yet. Ideally, you want it to drop another 1-2 weeks, then turn. Type yes if you understand. Okay, you want to wait for it to drop another 1-2 weeks, then turn up, then nice. Okay, IBKR is for what time frame? Guys, you all put down your time frame, please. Because if not, we don't know. A swing trade also. Price go up, come back down. Also same. 1 or 2 more weeks of pullback, then turn up. Okay, 1 or 2 more weeks down, turn up, then you would prefer that. Amazon can swing trade or not? No, yes or no? This dropped below 40 MA already. Yes or no? Okay, not good to swing trade. This one can swing trade or not? No, why? Because it didn't break. It didn't have higher high. Yes or no? It's not good because it don't have higher high. Okay. Next one, and close below 40 MA also cannot. Yes or no? Netflix for 1 month, so also swing trade. One month can trade this or not? No, yes or no? This is downtrend. Yes or no? Okay, so question. If I want to buy Netflix, I cannot do position weekly. It's downtrend. Type yes if you all can see. So already downtrend. So I want to buy Netflix, but already downtrend. Previously up one already took profit, rock in 260%, right now down 30%. But I want to buy Netflix. So position daily, no need to say, position daily sure cannot buy because it's shorting signals already. Yes or no? Or shorting signals already. So swing also no need to say. Daily swing also no need to say. So only way to do is to do what? Long-term DCA. Yes or no? The channel thing. Type yes if you understand. Okay, the DCA. Okay, so how to do DCA? Okay. By the way, if you don't understand the concept of DCA, DCA is not taught in SMT class. Okay, DCA is just buying value lah. Okay, DCA long term, the buying itself is 1 to 2 years. About 1 year lah. The buying itself 1 to 2 years. So when is the time you start buying? Dollar cost averaging. What is the time you start buying? Type yes if you understand the context. When is the time that you start buying the stock? Okay. So the context can be like this. Like this. Okay, can y'all see that? Type yes if you can see that. So question, why some stocks don't come back to the lower band? Why some stocks it will not come back to this band? It will not come back to this band. Okay, it will not come back to this band. Why is it like that? Have you all noticed some of the stocks don't come back to this band? Type yes if you have seen stocks like that, like Tesla. It doesn't come back to that band one. Okay, somewhere there they start to go up already. Okay, so I will say that some of these stocks are like tech stocks, very strong stocks. That means they from tech stocks become growth, become like value stocks. Remember the time I talked about Tesla long time ago, that Tesla from tech stock become value stock. How many was here? I think last year or the year before. I think it was last year. Type in TSLA when we talked about Tesla before, that the tech stock become value stock. So similarly like this. Okay, so this kind of stock, right, I don't expect it to go back to here. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so somewhere during here, 76, 75, or even to 60, $70. Right now is how much? Now is 82. Okay, still on the way down. Still on the way down. Okay, may still go down some more, but maybe down to about 70 to, I think 70 to 70. Okay, let's put 77 to 67. 77, 67, that area you can start to buy. Okay, I draw the band, and the band is around 77 to 67. Okay, 67. This band. But yes, if you understand, this is the area to look at to buy. Alternatively, if you think that, I don't want to anticipate, then what should you do? Very simple. Wait for position weekly to turn back to blue. Like example like this, red already, turn back to blue, you buy safer. Okay, so put in your watch list. Either you wait for position weekly to turn back to blue, then you buy, or you want to just buy when it is around that price for long term. Okay, how many prefer position weekly method? Type in position weekly. How many prefer DCA method? Type in DCA. If you want position weekly to position weekly huh? So position weekly, put in your watch list lah. Yes or no? Just like the time the Tesla like that, right? Put in your watch list. Okay, got it. By the way, not so fast, or because right now it's very far from my zero line. Very far from my zero line. So not yet lah. Wait for it to dot, then turn up, then buy. DCA is long term lah. Okay. Understand the context? Type yes if you understand. Now it's way too early to buy. Way too early. Got it? Okay, so one or two more stocks. Okay, sorry. Okay, good. One or two more stocks. RL for swing weekly. Not bad, yes or no? Okay, this one don't have recent high lah, yes or no? This one don't have recent high. Price come down, touch this line. Okay, don't have recent high. Next one, CRM. What's the time frame? CRM is a stock that reached the lower part of the band already. You all see that? That yes, if you can see that. This was again you can do pick for position weekly to get in. Got it? Or you look for the lower part of the band to buy lah. Okay, either way. By the way, just to say this, when you do DCA, you must do some fundamentals. You cannot just anyhow DCA. Ideally, you don't DCA individual stocks. You want to do DCA stocks that you are comfortable holding long term. Yes or no? Okay, you shouldn't go and DCA some stock that you don't know one. Okay, not so good. Okay, next one, TSM for position daily. This one I got asked people to buy TSM. A long time ago, not now. Okay. That time I went buy. I think Royston also asked people to buy, right? Or asked people to buy, also talk about this stock before, right? This one is not bad. Yes or no? Position daily, also not bad. Sometimes, I think around here there was an opportunity to get in. You can click on 6-month high. This part is where it broke 6-month high. Type yes if you understand. So broke 6-month high already, then higher now. Okay? 6-month high very powerful if you all know how to do it. Okay? Example, another one is, let's say example like this. Break 6-month high. Once it breaks 6-month high, go up. Okay? Okay. United Health. United Health is the one, another stock can DCA one. Yes or no? If you want to DCA. Okay, but I also mentioned that time it was too early to buy. Yes or no? Okay, but this stock you can also DCA lah. Okay, change to weekly chart. Okay, some time frame like this. Okay, got it? Not a very, very long time frame. Okay, this stock got pay dividend also, $2. So you must count in the dividend. Okay. So if you DCA here, let's say at last year, August, DCA, until right now is about 4 months, 5 months only. Yes or no? If you normally DCA, how long? Ideally 1 year lah. Okay, that means from here calculate 1 year later until August this year. Okay, here is the part where you can DCA. Okay, like Wilma like that, DCA how long? Very long. Till now, you ask me, I never see. Okay? Really, I never see one. Okay, even though I know I make money already, but I never see. Yes or no? How many still on Wilma? Type in Wilma. Some of y'all went in with me, right? Okay, so yeah. So this one also I never see. Okay, wait until here and do. Like Nike now also downtrend, right? Our quarterly meeting stop. Yes or no? That yes, if y'all where the quarterly meeting stop. Not financial advice, like example here, April. 1 year later, April, it's the last chance to buy. joking. Okay. But you all understand the context? That yes, if you understand the context, okay, now like buy, and then hopefully April this year will jump. Okay. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay. United Health is not my stock. Yes or no? Okay. But I think I also don't know what is the catalyst. You ask me what is the catalyst, I don't know. I share with you all some of my catalyst already. Yes or no? Like yes, if you all know. If not, go and watch the quarterly meeting. Okay, quarterly meeting. I got 2 slides some more. What are the catalysts? Okay, in fact, I think since the quarterly meeting, it has went up. Yeah. Since the quarterly meeting, it has went up. Okay, guys. We have looked for a lot of stock already. Understand the context of the different time frame. If you don't want to DCA, Nike also can. Then wait for position weekly to happen. Can? Type yes if you understand. Wait for position weekly to happen. Let me guess. When the price goes up to here, go up to here, we confirm downtrend already. This thing will turn blue already. Got it? Okay. Oh yeah, forgot to say bye to the public. Okay, today all the way. Okay, let's say hi bye to the public first before we end the stream. Okay, so guys, those public, thank you for joining us. Hope to see you in our weekly, our upcoming preview class. Go to CollinSeow.com/SWB to join us. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay.